false position method. In this method, we are going to solve the square root of 12 using false position method. So for solving this, take x is equal to square root of 12. So to make the equation, so square both sides, we will get x square is equal to 12. So take it on the other side, x square minus 12 is equal to 0. So take this as fx. fx is equal to x square minus 12. So this will be our nonlinear equation which we want to solve. So first of all, because we have to find the interval in which the roots of this equation lies. So by using the trial and error approach, we will try to find 2 points of x at which one point fx should be positive, fx is positive, and another point fx should be negative. So we want to find 2 points. So let's take x is equal to 0. So fx is equal to 0 square minus 12, that is minus 12, which is negative. Now at x is equal to 3, fx is equal to 3 square minus 12, that is 9 minus 12, so which is equal to 3 minus 3, which is also negative. So take x is equal to 4. So fx will be 4 square minus 12, that is 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. So we have found these 2 points. At x is equal to 3, the value of fx is negative. At x is equal to 4, the value of fx is positive. So we can say our root will lie between 3 and 4. So it means interval in which we will find root is 3, 4. So let's go to first iteration and take x is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 3, x2 is equal to 4, and we will have to find the value of x3 by using this formula. x3 is equal to x1 into fx2 minus x2 into fx1 over fx2 minus fx1. So here we have 3 as x1, and it will be f of fx2, that is f of 4 minus 4 f of 3 over f of 4 minus f of 3. If you calculate it, it will be 3, 4, minus 4 and minus 3. So over 4 minus 3. So which will be equal to 24 over 7, and